I feel like the tree is well made. The lights are wrapped into each branch individually. It looks like maybe even by hand. And although I bought these for Christmas, I think these would be beautiful at a wedding event, at any kind of like a restaurant setting. They move and bend very easily, but stay put exactly where I place them. And I feel like I can tweak them to fit my space and get them exactly where I want them. Styling for the space is super easy. I dropped them in the basket and covered them with a blanket. And the base for my 5-foot tree fits just as easily. One thing I was concerned about is how wide these bases would be. The base of the 5-foot tree was almost 13 inches, while the base of the 3-foot tree was almost 11.5 inches. Tree diameter 27 for the 5-foot for me and 22 for the 3-foot. And the plugging cord 16 feet, which makes it super versatile to put anywhere you want. Things that stand out to me, the LEDs are gorgeous, 112 of them per tree on the smaller 3-foot and more in the larger. They have a warm white glow. It's like an instant cozy atmosphere. To me, they're sturdy. I think you could put ornaments or something on them if you wanted. And once you fluff them, they really do have a natural look, a more minimalist look, sculptural. They're really beautiful in person, and they have that elegant glow that really transforms my haul. Overall, I would say durable, easy to set up, heavy duty, long lasting. Love that they're waterproof. The LEDs are gorgeous. Hope that helps.